Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to use perks to your advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, choose wisely. Pick perks that complement your playstyle and the situation you're in. Familiarize yourself. Understand what each perk does and how it can benefit you. Prioritize. Equip perks that offer immediate advantage or suit your strategy best. Combo perks. Combine perks that works well together to maximize their effectiveness. Survivability. Choose prioritized perks that enhance your survivability like EOD to reduce explosive damage. Awareness. Use perks like Tracker or High Alert to stay aware of enemy movements. Stealth. Opt for perks like Cold-Blooded or Ghost to remain undetected by enemy equipment and UAVs. Speed. Utilize perks such as Double Time to move faster and cover ground quickly. Recon. Equip Recon or Spotter to gather intel on enemy locations and traps. Loot Efficiency. Use perks like Scavenger to replenish ammo and supplies from fallen enemies. Stamina. Enhance your stamina with perks like Amp to swap weapons faster and keep the pressure on enemies. Healing. Choose perks like Quick Fix to regenerate health faster after kills. Tactical Advantage. Use perks such as Battle Harden to reduce the effect of enemy tactical equipment. Loadout Flexibility. Equip Overkill to carry two primary weapons for diverse combat situations. Communication. Coordinate with your team to ensure everyone has different perks for maximum coverage. Adaptability. Be prepared to switch perks mid-game based on the evolving circumstances. Solo Strategies. Tailor your perk selection to suit solo play, focusing on self-sufficiency and survivability. Coordinate with your squad to ensure perks complement each other for a balanced team dynamic. And that's how to use perks to your advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.